What up, Jack Howlers? Today, you gotta get the Team 11 merch. It's Ubersoft Team 11. And let me show you. You got Astronaut here. Isn't that right, Astronaut? Whoa, Astronaut, calm down. So, Logan's coming over today. But, we got this new bunk. It's pretty cool. So, like I said, just zoomed in, man. Whoa. So we have Chad here. What up, Chad? What up, Chad? Hey, man. Whoa, Chad, come over here, man. Hey, dude, Chad. I'm Chad. I'm Chad with his K. And so, but when Logan comes over, we're gonna pull a prank on him, okay? I'm whispering, no, he's not here. Oh, I got his new comforter. It's pretty nice. Team 11 comforter. Team 10 comforter. See, it's pretty nice. Really nice and cozy. Alright, so, we're gonna go drive in my new car I just got. Let me find it. Alright, guys, let's go on a drive. Yeah.
Wait, let's make this video tomorrow when it's actually today up.
No, I'm gonna just do this.
Is it paused?
Yeah. And Happy Fury in the background.
Maybe I have to